Health benefits of mountain pistachio. Mountain pistachio, Pistachio vera, or wild pistachio, offers numerous health benefits. 1. Supports heart health, reduces bad cholesterol, LDL, and increases good cholesterol, HDL, helps regulate blood pressure. 2. Strengthens the immune system. Rich in antioxidants, especially vitamin E and polyphenols, which protect the body from harmful substances. 3. Aids digestion. High fiber content improves digestion and prevents constipation. 4. Promotes eye health. Contains lutein and zeaxanthin, which help maintain good vision and protect against age-related eye diseases. 5. Helps control diabetes. Helps regulate blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for people with type 2 diabetes. 6. Improves skin and hair. Health. Omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin E help keep the skin hydrated and slow down aging. 7. Reduces stress and fatigue. Magnesium and B vitamins support the nervous system and help reduce stress. Consuming mountain pistachio in moderation can be highly beneficial for health. However, people with nut allergies should be cautious,